Some car owners don't clean their cars often due to time constraints. A pressure washer makes the task a lot easier when compared to hand washing your car. You can save your time and invest it in other productive areas. Some car owners take their vehicle to car washes, which can be expensive over time, unless it's a cheap-ass car wash that will also give your car some souls for free. Buying a pressure washer can save you spending money on a quick wash every time. Pressure washers also use less water when compared to the amount used by a garden hose tackling the same kind of job. The amount of force applied by a pressure washer means that much less water will be needed overall, with some estimates suggesting that as much as 75% of water is saved using pressure washing. This is because a pressure washer expels water at roughly 50 times the force of a garden hose. This allows the smallest amount of water to be granted the greatest amount of cleaning power. You can clean the carpet without brushing it. Seriously, if you can go touchless, why brush it? Combined with a good tire cleaner, you can touchlessly clean your car tire, so no more time wasted for brushing the tire. It is very common for mud to get stuck between the cracks. You cannot get to these areas with a simple car washing. However, the pressure from the pressure washers will be able to dislodge these things and get all of them out. And with the right nozzle, you can clean the under chassis too. Pressure washer will remove most dirt that sticks on the paint that no garden hose can do, which is vital to ensuring the less risk of damaging paintwork. And you can also use a snow foam to help remove more dirt. So as you know from before, with more times is saved, more dirt is removed, you won't be as exhausted as without a pressure washer. Ever notice a car soap residue? Pressure washer will perfectly remove car soap residue, so if you have waxed your car and then wash it and rinse it using a garden hose, the soap residue will cover your wax. Look at this. It looks like it removes the wax, it's minimized the water beading, but when I use a pressure washer on it, the wax is back. So that's it guys, I only have 9 reasons of why you need a pressure washer. If you have any more reasons, feel free to share in the comment below. Thanks for watching.